Basically, Sarath, last time we discussed EIGRP theory,
Yeah.
timers, messages, network command, hello parameters, update process. Okay. EIGRP states we discussed, no worry.
Yeah.
Okay, tables we done,
Yeah,
matrix
tables.
we done,
Hmm.
weight, key values, dual algorithm,
Hmm.
loop prevention, control plane and forwarding. Okay, then
That's
we
also done.
discussed load balancing, equal,
Equal and unequal
unequal,
cost.
auto summary, manual summary.
Summary.
Okay. So basically this topic, first we need to do a lab.
Hmm.
Yes or no? Then
Okay.
we start advanced part of EIGRP. Clear?
Okay. Hmm.
So basically we can use GNS3, we can use EVNG, both. Clear?
Okay. Hmm.
So right now I'm using GNS3 for lab purpose. Clear? First we
Okay.
discuss how to enable, how to configure, and how to make a neighborship. Okay.
Okay.
And this week EIGRP will be complete.
Okay.
Yes. We try to complete because EIGRP we are getting a two modes, classic type and name mode EIGRP.
Now we are discussing that the classic mode, right?
Huh?
We are discussing the classic mode, right?
Yes, name mode we can also discuss, no worry.
Name mode 64-bit, right?
Yes. So basically I will do first task, enable, configure, clear? And then we discuss network command concept, and then we discuss neighbor command concept, clear? And then we discuss which one thing? Neighborship, plus we discuss hello parameters, clear? Okay. So this task we need to achieve first. Sarath, how many months ago we start CCIE theory?
I think that we started when we started. I think April or May we started, right?
May, June, July, August. Yeah, it's good, no issue. Okay. So basically verify how many devices we are using. Router 1 connected with LAN network 192.168 dot network. Router 2 connected with LAN network 2.0 network. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Router 1 having a 12 dot network WAN side. Router 2 also having a WAN network on WAN side. Clear? Now start all devices. Access router 1. Router 2. Okay. Both routers successfully accessed. Go to router 1 and say show IP interface brief. So IP address one side is available,
Yes.
LAN side is available. Show IP protocol summary. So verify RIP, EIGRP, OSP or BGP is running?
No.
No. Now. So basically how to enable? Go to config mode and say router.
Router
And then
EIGRP.
which one? EIGRP. Now
Yes.
after EIGRP, if you define ES number, you can define name also. So I'm using classic, that means ES number. So I'm using ES number is 100.
100.
Then exit. Exit. Show IP protocol summary. So which one protocol running now?
EIGRP is enabled.
EIGRP 100. Show IP protocol. So verify first thing. EIGRP is running AS 100. Yes or no? Okay. Any filtering we done incoming or outgoing?
No.
Okay, right now EIGRP K values, K1 is enabled, K3 is enabled.
K3 is enabled. Yes.
Clear? Okay, now
Hmm.
my router ID is 192. Okay, AD value internal is 19, external 170.
170.
How many best route install? 4.
4 maximum.
Maximum hop count to 55.
Hmm.
And by default variance is 1.
1.
Automatic summarization is,
Disabled.
that means individual route store or default network information. Which one?
Automatic summarization is enabled means that all means network information.
So right now, if disabled, that means individual routes. Yes or no?
Okay.
And routing for any network be done? No.
No.
So right now, go
But
to
it is by default it is enabled in after 15
no.
OS, right?
Yeah, if 15.x iOS, so by default is disabled.
Enabled. Okay.
Disabled.
Okay.
Clear?
Disabled. Okay.
Router EIGRP 100. Now we are getting a network command. Network means if you are using network command, what is the meaning of network command? Network command means if I am running 12.0.0 and then enter. So router will try to identify any
The
interface
neighbor.
available with this network. Yes.
Yeah.
E0 by 1. So
Yeah.
router enable EIGRP on E0 by 1. If you are having physical, if you have logical, enable. Now a router 1 will try to send out hello message, but
Yeah.
interface
Broadcast.
must be having physical. If you want to send hello. So
Okay.
right now enter, router 1 will send hello, but this hello will be multicast.
Hmm.
Capture E0 by 0. Wait, we are receiving hello message EIGRP. Do show IP EIGRP interface command. So E0 by 1 is enabled for EIGRP. Yes or no? Wait. Show IP interface, please. So interface is up. Okay. We are sending show IP protocol. Okay. For 12 network is enabled. Yes or no? Okay. Now, wait, we are getting. Okay, it's a E0 by 0 link capture. Stop this one. E0 by 1 link. Capture E0 by 1. Now. Stop. So basically verify this 12.1 is
Yeah,
sending.
listen.
Okay, now verify
Multicast.
layer 3. Protocol number is 88.
88.
Yes or no? And sender is 12.1. Destination is multicast.
Multicast address.
Okay. Now in EIGRP message version 2, hello message, and now verify. Hello message sequence number 0, acknowledges 0. Okay, AS number is 100. Autonomous system parameter. Verify K values. K1 is
K1 and
enabled, K3 is
K3 is
enabled.
1.
Whole time is 15
50.
seconds. Okay, now. This one is hello, but it's doing dynamic neighbor discovery. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Again, we need to capture E0 by 1, but now we are sending Sarat. Now we are saying I'm using network command. No, I'm using neighbor command.
Neighbor command. Okay, unicast.
Yes. So I will say go to R1 and I'm saying router EIGRP 100, say no network 12.0.0.0. Remove. Done. And say neighbor 12.0.2. And which one interface connected? E0 by
0
1.
bar 1.
Now we are sending hello message, but verify. We are getting any hello? Verify. Do show IP EIGRP interface. EIGRP enable on any interface? No.
No.
But we run. So basically, if you make a neighborship unicast, so always use advertisement your network 12.0.0. Now wait.
Yeah.
Now wait. Router will try to send hello message on which one address? Unicast. Verify. Same information, yes or no? But now verify on layer 3. Layer 3. Okay, layer 3. Source IP is which one? 12.1. Destination is 12.2. So only 12.2 will make neighborship. This one is destination security. Yes or no? If you want to make a neighborship a specific person, so it's a destination security purpose we can make. Yes or no? But how to say source? How to say source security? So basically on R1, we remove the neighbor command, no neighbor 12.2 E051 remove. Now, last time we run network 12.0.0. This command na remove this one. Now I am saying network 12.0.0 and whenever R1 having IP is which one? 12.0.0.1. So always use the wildcard bit is 0.0.0.0. That means if you are having all 4 octet fixed, same IP 12.0.0.1, so EIGRP enable. Now verify show IP EIGRP interface. So right now it's enable because you are having IP is 12.0.1. If I am saying interface E0 by 1, IP address 12.0.10, subnet mask. Verify show IP EIGRP interface. Enable?
No.
No. Device must having which one IP address in EIGRP?
Interface.
12.1 IP. Then enable. Clear? So this one is source security. Any doubt?
No. No, actually what we did it now that we have removed that the unicast. Then in the network we just mentioned only that the source IP, right?
Yes. Okay, now. So this thing is clear. Now verify. Again, we need to capture E0 by 1. And now we trying to form neighborship on the basis of WAN interfaces. Now go to R1. Say router EIGRP 100 network 12.0.0. Go to R2 and say router EIGRP 100 network is 12.0.0. Now verify. So both the devices sending hello message and verify parameter is match or mismatch. Yes or no? Now R1 say hello, R2 say hello. But right now, can you please verify R2 and R1 sending which one message? Update message.
Update message.
But verify R1 update message. In this update, we are sending any network? No. Because this one is my which one update, dear? Null update. Which one? Null update. And devices never exchange directly connected networks. Clear? Now, go to R1 and verify neighborship is done or not done. We are getting a neighborship is done on R2 or R1 both. Now verify show IP EIGRP neighbor. My neighbor is 12.2. Interface is E0 by 1. Hold time is 15 seconds. Uptime a smooth round trip timer. SRTT means a smooth round trip timer. Packet will go to from source to destination and how many seconds we are getting a reply. Clear?
Okay, 1 minute.
So that is the time, 1 milliseconds. RTO means it's a retransmission time. Clear? RTO time. QA means any packet stuck in my buffer memory. No. Sequence number, last sequence number 1. Now R1 say router EIGRP 100. My network is 192.168.1.0. Now R1 say I am sending update. Verify. R1 say I am sending update. And inside update, which one network?
The internal
LAN
network.
network.
Hmm.
Okay. Right now we are sending which one information? Wide metric.
Wide metric.
Someone asking, sir, what is the meaning of AFI? AFI means address family information. IPv4. And this one is R1 router ID and metric. So right now verify the metric is we are using bandwidth, we are using delay,
Daily.
MTU, load and reliability. Yes or no? Now,
Yeah.
now verify. Go to R2 side. R2 also send which one information? Network information. Which one network advertise R2? Which one network information? 192.168.2.0
162 network. Yeah.
and no. So both router exchange, yes or no? But now verify one thing. Basically, last time which one router sending update? This one is
Router
R1
one.
update. Yes or no? R1 sending update on multicast address. Sequence number use 3.
3.
Okay, now verify. This one is R2 sending hello plus acknowledge. Unicast.
Yeah.
Verify. Which one acknowledge number?
3.
3. So right now R1 update successfully received. Clear? Now one more. Now R2 send update. Which one person sending?
R2.
R2 sending update. This one. Inside update sequence number is
4.
4. And we are sending which one network information?
Internal.
Internal network.
Yeah,
Because
2
AD
dots.
value is same. R1 sending which one message? Acknowledge. Which one acknowledge number?
4.
That means null and full update is
Full
successfully
update
achieved.
success.
Now, after some times, Sarath, after some times, R1 say, brother, I am getting a one more branch connected with my physical interface. For example, I will create loopback 1 IP address and I will say 11.1 subnet ones.
It will send the partial updates, right? That time.
Yes. Now, router EIGRP 100 network, I will advertise 11.0.
No,
Now,
there is a typo.
so we are sending now which one update? R1 say? R1 say, brother, I am sending again update. But this update at sequence number is 5. And which one network only?
That a newly added network.
11.0. That means this one is my partial update.
Partial update.
Clear na? Now one more. So basically, Sarath, update will be exchanged. Now go to R1 and verify show IP route for only EIGR.
Yeah.
So R1 say I am receiving 2 dot network, AD value is 19 and some metric we are getting. Yes or no? Okay, now go to R2 side. Show IP route, only EIGRP route. So we are getting a 2 networks, AD value and metric. Clear na? Now, if someone says, sir, if I am changing the timer because in EIGRP hello is 5, hold is 15. So how to change? So verify show IP EIGRP neighborship. So R1 say I will form the neighborship with which one router? R2. Okay, show IP EIGRP interface. So which interface having a neighbor? E0 by 0, E0 by 1. Which one? Peers.
E0 by 1. Yeah.
Only one. Yes or no? Now. So how to change timer? Go to physical interface E0 by 1. Say IP hello interval EIGRP 100. How many seconds? 10 seconds. IP hold interval, hold time. For EIGRP 100, how many seconds? 30 seconds. Clear now? So basically, last time, Sarath, R1 say I am running my hello time. 1 second, use other pen. One second. So basically, Sarath, R1 say I'm running which one timer? I'm running hello timer. Hello timer is how many seconds?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Okay. R2 say, brother, I'm also running hello. How many seconds?
5 seconds.
Okay. R2, R1, R2, both are running. Whole timer is how many seconds?
15 by default.
R2 also running whole timer.
15.
Now, R1 say my neighbor is 12.2.
Hmm.
R2 say my neighbor is
12.1.
12.1. So basically whole timer is 15 seconds. That means this timer will go to 0 to
14.
40 for this neighbor. 14 to 0. Clear? This neighbor 14 to
0.
0. So if R2 say my hello timer is running for which one neighbor? For R1. R1 say my hello timer is running for which one neighbor? R2.
R2.
Clear? Okay. R1 send every 5-second hello message on R2.
R2.
Timer is going 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So which timer we are getting a refresh? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5.
5.
So on 10 number we are getting
Refresh.
refresh. Then timer will go to again 14.
14.
But Sarath, if I am saying here now, R1 say brother I am changed and now my hello time is
10.
how many? 10 seconds. And my whole timer is 30.
30.
So basically this hello or hold working for R2. So R2 say my neighbor 12.1 now running whole timer is 29 to 0.
0.
And now R1 send every 10-second hello message. So 28, 27. Can you please tell me on which
Yeah.
timer we are getting a refresh?
Then 19.
Yes. Clear? Again timer. So if you change timer, so we are getting any issue with my neighborship? No. We are not getting any issue with my neighborship. Why? Because in EIGRP, hello parameters, AS value or key value, AS number or key values always must match. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So go to R1 and I am changing timer. Yes or no? Show run interface E0 by 1. So right now hello is 10, hold is 30 on
30.
R1. So go to R2 side, verify, show IP, EIGRP neighbor. R2 say timer is 25, 22, 21. Again refresh. Yes or no? So this R1 hello or hold timer running on R2. But we are getting any issue with neighborship.
No.
So change this timer. How to set default? Go to interface E0 by 1. Say no IP, hello interval for EIGRP 100. No IP, hold time for EIGRP 100. Now verify. Go to R2. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, refresh. Yes or no? So
Yeah.
timer can we do any issue with neighborship? No.
No.
But show run pipe section IP EIGRP. Show IP protocol EIGRP. So EIGRP key value is 1 is enabled, K3 is enabled. I want to enable all key values. So go to router EIGRP 100 and I'm saying metric wait. And now first value is type of service. So right now in real time, never do any other things with type of service. Clear? I will say right now it's a 0. K1 is enabled. K2 is enabled. K3 is enabled. K4 is enabled. K5 is enabled. Now we are getting a which one error verify.
Metric.
Wait, K values.
K value mismatch.
With
Yeah.
my
It
neighbor.
will.
And now verify neighborship is available.
No.
Any route available?
No.
No. For EIGRP, any route available?
No.
K values must be
Match.
matched. So how to set default? Router EIGRP 100, no metric, wait. Done. And verify, we are getting a log, new adjacency. Neighborship is done. Yeah, now. AS number, For example, R1 say no router EIGRP 100. And now router 1 say router EIGRP 101. Neighbor is, okay, not neighbor, I will say network 12.0.0 and try to form neighborship. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. Neighborship is available. No, go to R2. Debug IP
Hello.
EIGRP hello packets. Do debug EIGRP packets. Debug EIGRP packets. R1 send hello. Yes or no? Sending. Go to R2 side. R2 sending, but we are receiving. No, because ES number is
Different.
mismatch. Clear na? So neighborship will be formed on the basis of ES number. So R1 say no router EIGRP 100 or 100.
No, 101.
Router EIGRP 100 and I will run network 000. What is the meaning of 000?
All networks.
All network advertise, or you can say member of which one? EIGRP now.
Yeah, now it will form adjacencies. Actually, one thing, actually in the production network, actually always the unicast is the recommended one, right?
Huh?
In the production network, unicast is the recommended one, right? For the
Yes.
Yes.
Now, show IP EIGRP. So we done neighbor command, we done interface command. You can verify your traffic also. How many packets send or out? How many hello send or receive? How many updates sent or receive? How many queries? How many replies? How many acknowledge? For SIA modes, yes or no? Okay, now show IP EIGRP. You can verify accounting. So right now accounting means verify. So EIGRP states we are getting a pending or adjacency. Which one states?
Pending or adjacency.
Adjacency. Pending means neighborship is not done. Clear? Waiting for neighborship. Adjacency means successfully formed. And D means down. Okay, go to R2 and say interface E0 by 1 shut down. And go to R1. Wait for 15 seconds. We are getting any log? No, because neighbor is down. We are getting A. A means adjacency. Now, how many networks share you can count? How many restart you can get? Clear? So R2. Show run pipes section R EIGRP. Okay, go to R1. Now we are getting how many networks from R2? One. Now one more. Show IP EIGRP. So accounting, neighbor interface, traffic is come. Now events command. Which one? Events. Show IP EIGRP events. So this one is logs. This one is logs. If you are doing any changes, so we can get. Okay. We can get all information about EIGRP. Show tech support for EIGRP 100. So tech support EIGRP, address family, IPv4, AS number, and so this one is complete information about my EIGRP.
Yeah.
Complete for technical support. Verify. So this one is command I am running. Now start from this side. So this one is plugin features available in EIGRP. This feature is supported by EIGRP on this router. This one is EIGRP options. We enable, disable. This one is protocol information. Now, this one is route summary. Which one? Route summary. In EIGRP 100, how many routes receive? How many
One.
networks? One network. Clear na? Okay. Total is how many?
4 maximum.
Okay, one more thing. Basically, this one is 4 routes. How many pending? How many replies? How many dummies we can get? Clear? Now, neighborship information. Clear? Now, next information, this one. How many sent, receive messages? This information about the timers, hello, update, and SIA process, stuck in active mode process. Okay, any other information? Yeah, this one. So, split origin rule is enabled for EIGRP.
Yes or no? Control plane loop.
Yes, control plane loop to prevent. Scroll down, complete information. This one is EIGRP logs. So this command also supports. Show text support for which one protocol?
EIGRP.
Show IP EIGRP. Now topology. Topology table, this one is. Okay? Now. So neighborship is done, update process is done. Clear?
Yeah.
Stop this one. Now we discuss static neighborship. Which one?
Static neighborship.
Static neighborship. So verify how many routers connected with switch?
4.
No. Router 1 having 1.1.1/32. R3 having 3.3.3.3/32. R2 having 2.2.2/32. R4 having 4.4.4.4/30. Okay. So basically in this design, Sarat, in this design, if R1, R3, R4 or R2 trying to form neighborship, R1 say I'm running a network command. For which one network? For this one. 10.0.0.0. So R1 send which one message? Hello message.
Hello message.
And this hello unicast or multicast?
Multicast.
Multicast. If R3 enables, so R3 receive, R2 receive. Yes or no? R4 also receive. So basically R1 will get how many neighborship?
1, 2, 3.
3 neighbors. Yes or no? So basically if R1 trying to forward this update for all neighbors. So this one receive, this one receive, this one receive. If R3 running network command, if R2 running network command, if R4 running network command, so R3 same 1.1. Update forward on R1, R2 and
R3.
R4. Same R2 will say because I am having 3 neighbors R3, R4, R1. R4 same update will forward on this. So we are getting issue with my updates. So in this scenario, we need to form which one neighborship?
Static. Static.
Static neighborship. Static neighborship, which scenario we can use? Point to point or point to multiple?
Here point to multiple. Right?
Yeah, this design is point to
multiple.
Now access all devices. Hold on. Now this one is switch. I don't want to use R1, R2, R3, R. Okay, now. So basically go to R1 and verify Saras show IP protocol summary. Any protocol? No.
No.
Show IP interface brief. IP available and loopback available.
No.
R2 show IP interface brief. IP any protocol? No.
No.
IP protocol? No. Go to R4. Show IP protocol summary. No. Show IP interface. IP is done. Clear now?
No.
Go to R1 and say router EIGRP 100 network 10.0.0.
Zero.
Go to R2. Router EIGRP 100 network 10.0.
10.0.0.
Go to R3. Router EIGRP 100 network is 10.0.
10.0.0.
R4. Router EIGRP 100 network is 10.0.0.
Zero.
Okay. So R1, go to R1 side and verify. How many neighborship?
3.
So verify. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. Yes or no? If R1 generate any updates, sir, so how many devices receive?
3 devices. R2,
Want
R3
to
and
verify?
R4.
Verify. Give me 1 second. Capture E0 by 0. Now go to R1. R1 say, brother, I want to advertise my loop back. Router EIGRP 100 network is 1.1.
1.
Now. You need to verify. Scroll up and verify. R1 generate update. R1 generate update. And how many neighbors is there? R3, R4 and R2. And same update R2 forward, R3 forward and R4. Clear? Now. So basically in this scenario, so we are doing extra CPU utilization.
Yes.
Yes or no? So I will remove this one. And R1 say my neighbor is only 10.0.0.2 on my E0 by 0. And my neighbor is 3. My neighbor is which one router? 4. R1 say my neighbor is how many devices? R1 say my neighbor is R2. My neighbor is R3. My neighbor is
R4.
R. Clear? Now go to R2. R2 say my neighbor is
only R1.
R1. R3 say my neighbor is only
R1.
R4 say my neighbor is only R1. So go to same site. Go to R2. Neighbor is 10.0.2. E0 by 0. Go to R3. Neighbor is 10.0.3. 0.1. On R2, which command we are running?
R2, 1.
My neighbor is 10.0.0.1.
0.1.
E0 by 0. On R3, E0 by 0. R4. My neighbor is 10.0.0.1. E0 by 0. Now verify. R1 will make neighbors. How many neighbors available on R1?
3.
3 neighbors. Now verify show IP IGRP neighbor. 3 neighbor available.
Yes.
But go to R2. R2 say how many neighbors available?
Only 1.
R3 how many neighbors available?
1.
R4 how many neighbors available?
1.
1. Now R1 advertise. Router EIGRP 100 network is 10.0. 1.1.1. Done. So R2 receive, show IP route EIGRP via which one router? Via
R1.
R1 because R2 neighbor is R1 na. R3 receive, yes, because neighbor is R1. R4 receive, yes, because R1 is neighbor. But now R2 say, I want to advertise my network. Which one? Loopback network or let's say 2.2. R3 say, I want to advertise my network. Which one? 3.3.3. R4. R4 say, I am also want to advertise my network. 4.4. Clear? Now, go to R1. R1 say, I am receiving the routes. Which one? 2 routes via R2, 3 routes via R3, 4 routes via R4. But go to R2 side. R2 will say, brother, I am getting only neighborship in my R1. So every updates I will receive via which one? Via which one?
R1.
R1. We are getting only single route because EIGRP split horizon rule is enabled na.
Yeah, we need to disable that.
Never forward.
Then one more thing, that next scope self discovery also need disable, right?
Yes. So go to R1 and say E0 by 0 IP EIGR IP split horizon for EIGRP 100. It's enabled, but now we are saying
no. Okay.
Now go to R2. R2 say now I am update receiving. Yes. After disable na same update can receive 3 dot. But via which one router we can receive these updates?
Router 1.
Next hop is
Router 1.
Because R2 neighbor is R1. R3 also getting same update problem. Yes. R4 also getting the same problem. Next hop is R1. For example, if R2 say, brother, I want to go to R4 side. So all traffic go to first R2 to R1,
then come to R2. R4.
Someone says, sir, how it's true? So go to R2 and try to find out. So 4.4 route is coming from R1. Trace 4.4.4 N. Via which one router? Via which one router?
10.1. Router 1.
10.1 to 10.4. So basically, actually R2 can possible na reach R4 side.
Yes.
Clear? Now. So go to R1 side, we can say show IP EIGRP interface E0 by 0. Go to interface E0 by 0, say IP next stop self EIGRP 100 and say that means resync your update and now verify show IP route EIGRP. We are receiving actual next stop now.
Yeah, now we are getting the actual next one.
And directly forward which one side?
Yeah, R4.
R4 side. Clear? Now stop this one.
This is only applicable in that point to multipoint, right?
Yeah, point to multipoint. Now neighborship is done, Sarath.
Yeah.
Update process is done. Timers is done. Messages is done. Now we need to learn metric. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I'm using GNS3 because on EVNG we are getting some bugs for metric. That is the reason. Now we are using how many routers first? We are using 2 routers, sir. How many?
2 routers.
Both router connect. Now. Now I'm saying on R2, we are getting a network is 2.2.2 slash value.
That it.
On in between R1 or R2, we are using 12.0.0 slash 24. And right now, sir, this one is my lab number 1 for metric concept. Which one lab number, dear?
Lab number 1 for metric.
Yes, I will write down because we already done multiple labs. But right now, this one lab for metric. Clear now? Now, we start board device first. Now, access both router. Now go to R1 side first. Yes or no? Now configure the interface first. FA 0/0, say no shutdown. IP address 12.0.1. Subnet mask. Okay. Go to R2 side. FA 0/0, say no shutdown. IP address, which one? 12.2. Subnet mask. Exit, and we need to create loopback. 2.2.2. 255.255.255.255. I'm done. And now enable EIGRP. Which one protocol, sir? EIGRP. So router EIGRP 100. I will say network 12.0.1.0.0.0. It's a best practice. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And one more thing. Which one? Network. Another. Go to R2 side. Say router EIGRP 100 network 12.0.0.2 and network 2.2.2. Yeah. Now go to R1. R1 say show IP route EIGRP. I'm installing your route 2.2.2. AD value is 19, but metric is this one. And why? Which one router update received? 12.2. How many seconds ago? How many seconds ago this update received? 7 seconds. On router 1, which interface update received? 0. Okay, but how to calculate metric now? So basically R1 says show IP protocol. R1 say, brother, I'm running EIGRP protocol. Which one protocol? EIGRP. In EIGRP, if you want to get metric, so always verify K values. So K values, K1 is enabled, K3 is enabled. So right now, whenever R2 forward update on R1. So basically this one is physical interface. We are getting a bandwidth delay, this physical interface. And this one is also we are getting a bandwidth or delay because this one is logical. Yes or no? So how to calculate bandwidth or delay? How to get? Go to R1 side, R2 side, one by one. Go to R1 and very simple command we can run. Show interface FA 0/0. So this one is bandwidth or delay we are getting on which one router? Router 1. Router 1, no issue. This bandwidth and delays on router 1. So I think R2 also having a same interface, na? Yeah. So both physical interface, same bandwidth, same delay. Any changes we are getting? No. Because both are fast Ethernet. If you are having a fast or gig, so you can use. Yes or no? Now, but how to verify on loopback? Go to R2 side and say show interface loopback number 2. Bandwidth and delay loopback this one. Now paste on this side. So this one is bandwidth or delay. Which one interface? Loop back interface.
Loop back interface.
So Sarat, now whenever update forward from R2 to R1. So R1 say on receiving interface bandwidth is 1 lakh kilobits. Yes or no? On R2 we are getting a sending interface 1 lakh plus this one 8 lakh. Which one is least bandwidth? Because bandwidth always calculated by minimum. Minimum means bandwidth always calculate which one? Least. So which one bandwidth we use on R1?
not
1 lakh?
1 lakh, yeah.
1 lakh kilobits. Yes or no? Okay. Now delay. So basically,
Delay is a sum.
Yeah, delay means total. Only receiving interface or sending? Only receiving.
Receiving interface, yeah.
So whenever R2 forward update on R1, so R1 say receiving interface delay is how many? 100 seconds. But if you are getting a U means micro or milliseconds. Clear? Now, R2 say my loop back already having a how many delay?
5,000.
But only loop back scenario. If you are having a physical, so no need to count. Okay. Now, so 5,000 plus 100, how many total?
5,100.
Done? Now, formula is bandwidth formula 10 power 7
divided by
upon least bandwidth. Least bandwidth 1 lakh na. So how many times 10 multiply? So 10 multiply by 5 times.
5 into 256.
So 10 power 5 multiply by 256. Okay, delay. Delay is very simple. Total delay 5100 upon 10 and multiply by
256.
Okay, can you please use math now? So 5.
The 2 raised to 2 means 100. 100 into 2
power 2 is
256. Yeah, 25600.
So 10 power 2 multiply by 2. Okay, this one 5 1
0 into 256.
So this one is 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 250. So we are getting 25600. Yes, no?
Yeah.
And delay 510 multiply by 10, no, 256. How many values?
133,360.
So now bandwidth and delay plus 1360. Yeah, no, 133.
Yeah, 33360 plus.
And 25600. And now 15860. Okay. 9.
Yeah, 960. No, 158960.
Clear? So I think this one is accurate. Use calculator one more time because some calculator must be verified. So I will do easily 100 multiply by 256. Yeah, this one 25600. Okay. If I'm saying 510 multiply by 256, math is very important. So it's a 130,560. If you write down wrong, so we are getting accurate. No. Now use calculator again. 1 5. Yes or no? 5. This one no. 156160. 130,560 plus 256. This side we use calculator plus 25600. So how many value?
156.
So whenever R1 install the root of 2.2.2, metric is 156160.
Yes, sir.
Show IP route EIGRP. So verify.
156610.
Okay, show IP route for which one route? 2.2.2 route.
2.
We are receiving this route via 12.2. Yes or no? Okay. The root metric is this one. Okay, total delay is this one. Minimum bandwidth is this one. And how many hop count away from me?
1.
1. So done. Any doubt to how to calculate metric?
No.
Okay, now. Now next thing. So basically, how many tasks we done, Sarath? Timers, message,
Message,
network,
report.
hello, update, EIGRP, states, tables. No, we did
No.
not discuss table. Metric is done, weight is done, key values is done. Now we need to start next topic. Next topic is which one? Stop this one. And I want to enable dual algorithm lab. Which one?
Dual level.
So Sarath, why we use dual algorithm? Any idea?
Yeah, in the to avoid the data plane loop. To avoid the data plane loop.
Yes. And one more thing, we can get which one route?
Bus route. Bus path. Yeah.
Best plus backup. Now we are creating a dual algorithm lab. It's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is my which one router?
5th one.
So router 1. Done. Now connect LAN cables. Okay. Now we can say this side we are getting a LAN network. This side we are getting LAN network. Yes or no? This one is my server. You can change your symbol if you want. Done? No. This one is my user. Now connect. Done? Okay. Now we are doing which one lab, Sarath? In this lab, we discuss how many topics. So very carefully verify this lab. In this lab, we discuss multiple topics. Which one? In this lab, we discuss EIGRP, dual algorithm. We discussed load balancing. We discuss offset list. Clear? We discuss passive interface. Yeah, we discuss variance. We discuss maximum path. Which one? Maximum. Done. Now we use network. So this one is my length. So we are using length side 192.168.1.0/24. Clear? Make a duplicate. This side we are using router 1 or router 2 na. So 12.0.0/24. Now make a duplicate. This side we are using R2 or R4 24.00/24. Make a duplicate. This side 1 or 3 na. So 13.0.0/24. This side 3 or 5, so 35.0.0/24. This side 1 or 4, so 14.0.0/24. Now this side, which one? 45.0.0/24. Any issue, Sarath?
No.
No. So start all devices and try to configure easily. It's a very simple mechanism to configure every device. Clear? Very simple. Go to R1 and R1, how many interfaces we are getting? Verify.
3. No, 4.
4 interfaces. Wait, device getting a boot up. Hold on. Go to FA 0/0, IP address 12.1, subnet mask. Go to FA 1/0, and IP address is 13.1. Go to 2/0, and IP address is 14.1. Go to 4/0, and IP address is 192.168.1.1. And use range command. Interface range FA 0/0, FA 1/0, FA 2/0, FA 4/0, and say done. Okay, now access R2. Interface FA 0/0, IP address 12.2. Go to FA 1/0 and 25.2. Interface range FA 0/0, FA 1/0, no shutdown, and WR. Clear?
Yeah.
Go to R3. Interface range, FA 0/0, IP address 13.3, subnet mask, FA 2/0,
35.0.
yeah, 35.3. Because router number is 3, na? FA 0/0, FA 1/0, no shutdown, and
Router 4.
now access R4. Interface FA 0/0, IP address 14.4, subnet mask FA 3/0 and which one? 45.4. Interface range FA 0/0, FA 3/0. Say no shutdown
shutdown.
and W1. Done.
Hmm.
Now access which one router?
Router 5.
Router 5.
4 interfaces.
So interface FA 1/0, IP address 2400. How many? 5.
05.
FA 2/0 and which one IP? 35.
35.
Oh,
No,
35.
35.
Done. FA 3/0.
45.
IP is 45. FA 4/0. IP address 2 dot. Which one? 1.
1.
We can say 2.5. No issue. You can say. And exit interface range FA 1/0, FA 2/0, FA 3/0, FA.
FA 4/0, no shut.
Done. Okay, I think on R2 this interface I am assigning 25. So cross verify. I need to check. Show IP interface. I think 25 years now. Yes. Which one IP we need to assign?
24.
20. Done. Now. So enable now which one protocol? EIGRP.
EIGRP.
So go to R1. Router EIGRP 100 network. I will say any network. Yes or no? Go to R2. Which one? Router EIGRP 100 network is
Any.
E1. Go to R3. Router EIGRP 100 network is
Any. 0.
anyone. Router 4. Router EIGRP 100 network is anyone. Done. Now. Hello. अच्छा उसके सामने को कोई ये नारियल वाले गेट है हाँ इधर अंदर की साइड इधर मुंबई की जहाँ पर पेड़ है ना उधर की साइड पे सिग्नल कलर का गेट लगा होता है हाँ आप स्कूटी पे हो ना हाँ इसी वाले गेट के अंदर आ जाना बड़े के अंदर आ जाओ और सामने से सीधा आपका गेट है वो है जीना वहां से ऊपर आया फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे अफजल एक बार नीचे से एक स्टूडेंट व्हाइट शर्ट पहनी होगी चेक में लिया ना एक बार नीचे से ओके नाउ R5 राउटर EIGRP 100 and network is
0. 4.
just wait for neighborship. Yes or no?
45, 24, then 35 need to come.
Okay, now Sarath, go to R1. So neighborship is done with 3 neighbors. Show
Yes.
IP route for EIGRP. So basically, if I want to reach 2 dot network, so how many paths available?
2 paths are available.
2 paths available. Yes or no?
Okay.
So basically, by default, all interfaces bandwidth or delay is same equal. Yes or no? By
Yes.
default, all interfaces bandwidth or delay
Yes.
is equal. Now. So in this scenario, we need to discuss one more thing. Which one? So basically, if I want to change bandwidth or delay, so which one interface we need to change? Sending or receiving?
Receiving.
Receiving. So by default, whenever R5 forward update on R2, R3 or R4. So receiving interface is this one, yes or no?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
by default, all interfaces delay is 100 microsecond, 100.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Hmm.
If I do some changes, which one? For example, if I am set, this one is by default how many? 100 microsecond. But this one I will set how many? 120 microsecond. How many?
120
microsecond. Now, if this one I will set a delay is 220 microseconds. So which one we are getting a best backup or which one is non-backup? Because by default, all interfaces bandwidth or delay is same. So
Same.
by default, R1 getting a how many best route? This one, this one, and this
This
one.
one.
Yes or no? Now
Three.
we need to change the delay. Go to R2 first and verify the delay. Show interface FA1/0, enter. R2 delay is how many? R2 delay is how
Delay
many?
it is
100 microsecond.
microsecond.
R3. Show interface FA2/0.
Also 100.
So this one is very big command. We can run short command. Show interface FA2/0 pipe section BLY. So delay is 100. So I will set interface FA2/0 delay. So read this line. Delay is tens of
Microsecond.
If I am
Seconds.
set 12, so 12 multiplied by 10, so 120. Now verify. How many delay?
120.
Go to R4. Show interface FA. So R4, which one interface? 3/0. Pipe section capital letter DLY. 100 na? So we need to set FA 3/0 delays 220. 22 only. And verify now. How many?
220.
Done? Now. So go to R1 side now. Show IP. Okay. Show IP route EIGRP. If I want to reach 192.168.2 network, wow, 12.2 is my which one route? Best route.
Best route.
Why we are getting a best route? How to know? So basically EIGRP receive always update in topology table. EIGRP topology table.
Topology.
So show IP EIGRP which one table?
Topology.
Okay, now verify. In topology table, P means passive. Passive means interface is alive. A network is alive. Active means inactive. That means route is not possible to reach. Clear? Okay, right now for 192.168.2.0, if I want to reach, so which one is my best path? 12.2. Why we are not getting a via two routes? Give me 1 second. Hold on. Show IP interface brief. FA 4/0 is up. Okay. Give me 1 second to verify R2. Okay. Show IP interface page 1/0 35 45 2.1 show IP IGRP neighbor. It's not getting a neighborship with R3. Yes or no? That is the reason. 1 second, 1 second. 35.5. Yeah, R3, where is my R3? I think R3 interface is not up. Yes. Clear na? FA 2/0, say no shutdown. Done? Now verify. Go to R1. Topology table. Now, in topology table, if I want to reach 2.0 network, so how many routes available via 12.2 via 13.3? So basically first value called FD value. Which one? FD value. And second value called RD.
RD value.
Now, so FD value is 33280 from R2, and from R3 FD value is 33792. So which one having a lowest FD value?
The first one.
R2.
Yeah.
That means this one is my best route.
Best.
So FD value should be greater than RD value.
RD
So
value.
FD is this one. That means this one is already best. Now I will try to make a backup path for R3. So FD value should be greater than RD value. This condition is true or false? Verify.
That is true.
True. So that means via R2 we are getting a best route. Via R3 we are getting backup. But in routing table, we always store for 2-dot network, which one route? Best route.
Best route.
Which one route? Best route.
Best route.
Now, next thing. Next thing is which one? Go to R1. But R1 getting
okay. If it is a best route, then it will move to that routing table, right?
Step by step. How many neighbors available? 3 neighbors. But via R2 we are getting best. Via R3 we are getting a backup. Via R4 we are getting any best backup? No.
No.
In routing table, only 12-dot route available. In topology table, 12 plus 13 available.
13. Okay.
If I am saying 2.0. So via how many routers we can, how many next stop we can reach? Via 12.2, via
13.3.
Okay. See, composite metric, that means FD or RD available? Yes or no?
Yes.
So basically FD and FD available. So basically via 12.2 we are getting a best route. Via 13.3 we are getting backup route. Clear? So in topology table we are getting 2 routes. Where is my R4 route? Where is my R4 route? So basically go to topology, which one table? All links. Now in all links for this network, we are getting a how many paths?
3 paths.
3 paths. Now we can do sniffing tasks. So very tricky, but simple. Now Sarath, verify step by step. Basically first, hold on. Basically my FD value verify via R2 metric is this one, via R3 this one, via R4 this one. So which one elect as a best path? Verify.
12.0.
33280. This one is my best path. Yes or no? Now FD value should be greater than
RD value.
Now, so FD is 33280 RD value. From R3 we put. So RD value is 31232. So condition is true or false?
True.
So via R3 we are getting a backup. This one is best. Now 33280 greater than RD value is 33792. Then true or false?
That's also 337. Okay, that's false. Yeah.
So that means this one is not
non-backup here.
So basically best install in routing table, backup and best install in my topology.
Table.
This all 3 routes install in my
all table.
Now, if you done this task, that means
yeah, got it.
So I think it's clear. So that is the reason. To IP route, we are getting a single route for which one network? For 2-dot network. We are getting a single network via 12.2. Now next thing. Next thing is which one, Sarath? So if someone say I want to install forcefully both routes best route or all routes. So basically it's a very simple. Last time FD value is this one 33280. Yes or no? Now we are performing which one task? Unequal
Yeah.
Cost,
Cost.
load,
Load balancing.
balancing. Unequal means FD must be multiplied by
Variance.
So FD is 33280 multiply by default 1. So if we want to make a best route via all other neighbors, so how to make this this FD value must be lower value from this one. Yes or
Yeah.
no? Lower,
Mm.
but I want to make higher because must be get higher na FD value. So
Yeah.
how many value multiply by 33280 to get higher? Which value we need to do multiplication? If we do
Into
2,
2. Yeah.
so we can get yes or no?
2. Mm.
Now verify. Okay. Now go to R1 and say show IP protocol. So variance is by default
1.
and now verify the routing table for EIGRP. Basically we are doing any route for load balancing. No, na?
No.
Now verify router EIGRP 100 variance. So how many variants we can use? 1 to 128, but right now it's 2 only. Show IP protocol. So variance is
2.
now verify show IP route EIGRP. So for this network, how many paths make a best path?
2.
2 paths. For this one we can get best. For this one we can get best. But we need to get only best path for only this network now. So variance use for all networks. Yes or no? So I don't want to use. Remove this one. How to remove?
Then offset,
Router
right?
EIGRP because this one for all
networks. Yeah.
all routes load balancing.
Mm.
No variance. Show IP route EIGRP. Done? Now.
Mm.
So basically, Sarath, if R1 say if I am receiving the route from R2, so metric is 33280 FD. If I am receiving via R3, metric is this one. If we are receiving via R4, so this one. If we use on R1 offset list, which one, dear?
Offset list.
Offset list. This feature help to add metric for incoming or outgoing route, or you can say network. Clear?
Yeah.
So basically, if I want to make a equal, so how many metric add on R2 side whenever we are receiving? So we are getting 33280. Via R3 we are getting 33792. Via R4 365 352. Clear na? So now it's a very simple mechanism. Verify. One second, Sarath, hold on.
Okay.
1 second. Now, Sarath, go to R1 and verify show IP, EIGRP, topology, or links table. Verify, Sarath, for 2-dot network, how many metrics? This one, this one, and this one.
This
so
one,
right now,
3.
Sarath,
Yeah.
if I'm using a higher metric, which one is my higher? This one or this one? Which one is higher?
We have 14.
14 now? So
Yeah.
okay. Now use calculate. It's very simple. 36352 minus 33792. So how many?
2560.
2560. If we are receiving via R3, so how many metric we need to add?
2560.
R3 we need to add 2560. Clear na? Now, if we are getting 36352 minus 33280. So how many metric we need to add via R2?
R2 3072.
72. Okay, no issue. Via R2 3072. Go to R1 Go to R1, Sarath. And first we need to create access list to verify the route. Match the route. Access list 1 permit for which one route? For this one, wildcard bit, and then enter. Now say router EIGRP 100. Which one command? Offset list.
Offset list.
For offset list, ACL number 1 for incoming. For which how many metrics? So via R2 3072 and which interface? FA 0 by 0. 2560 via which one interface? Via which one?
Okay.
Via
Interface here.
R3. Na?
Yeah.
Now verify. Show IP route. Other
That's not
network
clear.
will perform load balancing.
No, only this one.
Only selected network perform which one task?
Load balancing.
Balancing task. So equal is clear.
Yeah.
Clear.
Hmm.
Ping 2.1. It's reachable. Trace 2.1 and load balancing is successfully achieved na? With
Yeah.
the help of which one list?
Offset list.
Offset. Clear, sir?
Hmm.
Show IP protocol. So how many best route we can install?
4.
4. I will say router EIGRP 100. Maximum path only install how many?
2.
Show IP route EIGRP. Verify.
Only 2 is fine.
Done.
Hmm.
So I am removing offset list. Show IP route. Wait. Okay. Okay. Show run pipe section R EIGR. Router EIGRP 100. No. This one offset list. This one. Done.
Hmm.
Show IP route. We are getting any best route? Multiple? No.
No, only 1.
Only one. We are getting show IP EIGRP topology. In topology table, best route and backup
Back.
route. Okay, now. Go to R1 side and capture this one link. Which one? FA 0 by FA 1 by 0.
Hmm.
हाँ मैंने ही बुलाया उसको भेज दो अंदर okay now sir basically if best route goes down so we are sending which one message query message yes or no for how many routes available so go to R1 side and say in FA 0/0 shutdown and verify now. Best route goes down. Yes,
Then query message.
we are sending query message. Wait. So basically go to R1 again and verify show IP route. So verify backup route install.
Yeah.
And verify query message. Query message. आयुषी ने भेजा था बैठ 2 मिनट बस. Okay, now verify backup route. So basically first verify R1 sending which one message? Query. In query message, how many networks connection break? Verify 12 dot or 24.
24.
Clear na? Done?
Hmm.
Okay. Sarath, just go through this video and we meet again tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. Please upload the video.
Yes,
Then I
yes,
can,
yes.
because I
Okay.
need to practice today.